After watching this brief video, you will know how to use the Safety Meeting app to keep your company compliant with OSHA's meeting law. You will learn how to create safety meetings, track employee attendance, record incidents, near misses, accidents, and generate reports. Let's get started. You should already have a username and password, but if you do not, go to www.safetymeetingapp.com to start your free trial. Once you have your username and password, you are ready to get started. Click on the App Store icon on your iPhone or iPad or Google Play icon on your Android device and search for Safety Meeting app. Click the icon and then click Install. Once you have done so, click Open to start the app. After opening the app, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. If you forgot your password, you can use the reset password link and it will be emailed to you. If that does not help, send us an email and we'll be glad to help. Click to log into the app. You should also have your credentials in the welcome email you received once your account was created. If you do not see it, be sure to check your junk email folder. Once you are logged into the app, you will see a screen similar to mine with 4 options: Meetings, Incident Documentation, Administration and Support, and Resources. The first section we want to look at is Administration and Support, so go ahead and select it. On the new screen, you will see 4 new options. Select the Manage Trade button. This selection allows you to activate trades, which determine the safety topics that will be visible to you. We recommend selecting the first 3 boxes so that you will see all topics, narrowing it down as needed. Once finished, go back and select Manage Employees. Use the plus sign in the upper right corner and you can add employees to your account. Companies with many employees find that performing this function on the computer is much faster. We'll show you how to do that shortly. For now, select the plus sign and add your first employee. Once finished, you will see that you now have a new employee in the Active Employees section. If an employee is no longer with your company, open the Active Employees section and select the employee and uncheck the active box. This will move his name from inactive section so that you can maintain documentation without deleting his record. Once you have finished adding your employee, go back and select Manage Account. This screen allows you to modify your username and password. If you are sharing an account with someone, make sure you send them the new username and password if you make a change. Go back and select Support. You can contact us here or by using our website. This time, go back to the main screen. Select the Resources button at the bottom. Here you will find a list of free resources. Your screen may be different and specific to your trade. This time, go back and select Meetings. Once there, you will see 3 options: New Meetings, Past Meetings, and Topics. Go ahead and select Topics. Selecting Topics will show you a list of each topic that is available to you. If you do not see a full list of topics, select the Manage Trades button at the bottom and select All Topics. As a reminder, topics are only shown to you based on the trade you selected. You can select as many or as few as you desire. Prior to the meeting with your crew, it's a good idea to determine the topic you will be discussing. Browse through the list to preview the topics and find one that relates to your type of work. Use the arrows to expand the subheadings to view all content. Once finished, go back and select New Meeting. We highly recommend that your company pick a day and time each week or month to conduct safety meetings so that your crew gets into the habit and understands the importance of job site safety and OSHA compliance. When you start a new meeting, it will automatically insert the time and date, but you can modify this later as needed. Including a location and project name is optional, but contractors find this helpful later on. The next step is selecting the leader field. From there, select the individual who is leading the meeting. Once done, go back. Follow the same steps for tracking employee attendance. Select the Attendees button, and then select the attendees who will be attending. If a name is not on the list, select Manage Employees, and then click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner to add an employee. Let's do that now by adding Bill Tyler as a new summertime employee. Once finished, go back. In the upper right corner, you will notice a photo button. This can be used to take a photo of your group as extra proof of safety compliance. This is optional, but highly recommended. Now go back to the meetings page and select your topic. Since we previewed our topics earlier, we already know which topic we want to select, and we'll do so now. At this point, you will read the content to your crew and ask if they have any questions. Discussion should be short, but it's important to make sure they understand the importance of safety and take something away from the discussion. After reviewing the topic material, go back 2 screens. Adding content to the notes section is optional, but recommended. A note may be, Chris thinks we should discuss this topic monthly. One of the nice features about the Safety Meeting app is that you do not have to click Save. As soon as you make a selection, your changes are uploaded to our secure server and available for anyone you share an account with. Now, let's take a look at past meetings. All of your previous meetings are stored in past meetings. Here, you will see a list of partial meetings and complete meetings. If you need to make a change to a meeting, this is where you will do so. If you forgot to select Chris as a meeting attendee, you can do so by selecting the meeting, and then selecting Attendees, and by selecting his name. Now let's go to the main screen and select Incident Documentation. This section allows you to track accidents, incidents, or near misses to help identify problems that need to be addressed and to ensure you have a safe workplace. Select the plus sign in the upper right corner to create a new incident. Just like before, the date and time are populated. Write a brief description in the details box. In the employee field, select the employee who was involved in the incident. In the notes section, you can record additional details about the incident that may be needed later. We also include the option to get the employee's signature. This feature is not required by OSHA, but may be helpful to your company. That pretty much sums up using the Safety Meeting app on your Android or Apple devices. Now, we will cover how to use the same features and more on your computer using any internet browser such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. In your browser, go to www.safetymeetingapp.com. Once there, select Customer Login in the upper right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted for your username and password, which is the same that we used earlier to log into the app. Again, if you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link and it will be emailed to you. After you log in, you will see a dashboard that is unique to your company and includes helpful stats. On the left side of your screen, you will see functions similar to those we reviewed in the app. The first section we want to review is Company Administration. In Company Administration, use the Edit Company Profile link on the right to make changes to your account. The next section we want to look at is the Employees tab. Here, you will see a list of your employees. To add an employee, click the Add icon and add the employee's information. Be sure to select the Active box. You do not need to add a company name to the company field. This should only be done if someone attends a meeting who is not part of your company. If someone is no longer active with your company, uncheck the Active box so that they become inactive and to ensure that you maintain their safety records. Click Save once finished. The next section we want to review is the Meeting section. This is where you will create a new meeting from your computer. In the Meeting section, you will see a list of past meetings and an Add icon. Click the Add icon to create a new meeting. As before, click the date, time, and adding the project and location name are optional. This method is ideal if you meet in an office or if you want to use a screen larger than your phone or tablet. After adding the location, select the leader using the drop-down box. Now select the next tab, which is Topic. Once you select a topic, you will see the content below. If needed, you can select the bottom right corner of the topic window to increase the window size. After discussing the topic, select the attendees from the list of employees. Unlike before, the phone and tablet provide the ability to take a photo, however, the computer does not, since most computers do not have a camera. The final tab is the Notes section, which allows you to add any additional information about the meeting, such as someone coming in late or leaving early. Once finished, click Save. After clicking Save, the window will close and you will see the meeting in the list below as a past meeting. If it does not appear, refresh your page or click the meeting link to the left. Here, you can delete test meetings and you can generate a PDF report which can be emailed, printed, or saved to your computer. To generate a report, click the red PDF icon. If a PDF does not open, ensure that you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer. It is free from adobe.com. The report not only includes the meeting detail, but also includes the content and a photo if you use the app and conducted a meeting from your phone. The final section is the incident documentation section. This section works the same as the meeting section and allows you to track anything related to the job site that you feel may be of importance at a later date. Use the Add button to create a new incident. Click Save once finished. One of the benefits of having access to the Safety Meeting app on your phone, tablet, or computer is from any location, and this allows you to allow other employees to access your safety records at any time. This is ideal for a company owner who is in the office and wants to ensure that his supervisor is conducting safety meetings first thing each Monday morning. The owner can log into the portal and see a list of meetings, what was discussed, who attended, and print a report or file it for later proof during an OSHA inspection. It is important to remember that safety meetings are a requirement in all 50 states. During an OSHA inspection, you will be asked to show proof of your safety meetings. Knowing the law and failure to comply is a willful violation and may lead to a fine or accident. Please contact your local and state safety agencies to ensure that you understand the meeting requirement for your location. If you have any questions that we did not cover, please contact us at www.safetymeetingapp.com.